Wait, what? Cockroaches can survive a nuclear explosion. Yeah, you heard that right. A cockroach walked out of Ground Zero at Hiroshima. No joke. Stick around because we're about to prove why these bugs might be tougher than anything on Earth. Hey! Today we're uncovering the insane superpowers of cockroaches. We're talking radiation resistance that makes superheroes jealous. We're talking survival abilities that are absolutely bonkers. By the end, you'll understand why scientists think cockroaches might inherit the Earth. Let's go! First fact, a cockroach can withstand radiation 6,000 times stronger than humans. 6,000 times. You'd get sick from a fraction of that dose. A cockroach barely phases them. Here's why: their cells divide slowly. Super slow. Radiation damages fast-dividing cells. Cockroach cells? They're like ancient tortoises. No rush. No damage. Fact number 2, after the atomic bomb at Hiroshima in 1945, cockroaches thrived. While humans were suffering, cockroaches were like, LOL whatever. Scientists literally found them walking around Ground Zero. Ground Zero. The epicenter of total destruction. And there's a cockroach just existing. Casually. That's wild. Here's the craziest part: cockroaches don't even need to eat for weeks. Imagine surviving a nuclear explosion and not needing food. They're like the ultimate survival preppers. No water for 3 weeks. Cool. No head for a week. Still alive. A cockroach with no head will keep moving until it starves. Actually starves. No head. Still roaming. Fact 4, their exoskeleton is like armor plating. Seriously. It protects their insides from radiation blast waves and heat. Imagine wearing a suit made of titanium that weighs almost nothing. That's basically what a cockroach is wearing 24/7. Heat, radiation, pressure, their shell just shrugs it off. So here's the big takeaway: cockroaches aren't just survivors, they're basically unkillable. Scientists think if a massive asteroid hit Earth and wiped out dinosaurs again, cockroaches would walk away like, meh. They've been on Earth for 300 million years. They've survived 5 mass extinctions. 5. Those bugs are the real apex predators. Now you tell us, which fact shocked you the most? Comment below. And hit that subscribe button before the cockroaches take over.